Hi guys, and welcome to the second part of my True Homes Build Watch series. Now this is just a quick video to show you guys that the driveway and the patio have now been poured. I've also heard from True Homes and I was told that framing will begin in the next week or so. The weather here has been absolutely beautiful recently. We've had temperatures in the low to mid 70s with some rain and even thunderstorms a couple of days. So I'm not sure how that may impact the timeline going forward, but we'll see. So here is the little walkway to the front porch that's also been poured. It's short and sweet, a couple of steps and you're there. Now guys, I have to admit that when I first saw the foundation, I thought that it was really small. I mean, way too small. I even considered contacting True Homes to make sure they had the right floor plan because it just seemed too small to accommodate the home that I chose. Now here you can see the two-car garage, and the home is a little over 2,200 square feet. That includes an office, dining room, kitchen, great room, mud room, and powder room, all on the first floor. And I just didn't see it. I guess I'm just not a visual person, so I'm trying to wait patiently for framing to begin, and hopefully it will start to come together for me. Here again is the front porch, and you can see the two-car garage. And here is the back patio. So it's only a small area, about 10 by 10 feet. I don't spend a lot of time outside, so this is just enough space for me. I mentioned before in my prior videos, I didn't want a big yard, so I don't have to spend a lot of time maintaining it. Now, don't get me wrong, I do like to plant flowers in the front yard to add some color and keep the mulch fresh because curb appeal is important, but mowing grass is not something I like to spend my spare time doing. No shade to those of you who do like it, it's just not for me. So I hope this video was helpful. The next one should be the start of framing, so subscribe to make sure you see the next step in the process. And I'll see you soon.